Diamonds are among the most valuable gemstones in the world. Before they are cut and polished, diamonds exist in a natural form known as rough or raw diamonds. At first glance, rough diamonds may look like ordinary stones, which makes identifying them challenging. While professional testing is always the most reliable method, there are several simple at-home techniques that can help you recognize potential rough diamonds. What is a rough diamond? A rough diamond is a diamond in its natural uncut state. It usually has an irregular shape, a dull or greasy surface, and sharp edges. Unlike polished diamonds, rough diamonds do not sparkle much and may appear cloudy or opaque. Ways to identify rough diamonds at home. 1. Examine the shape and surface. Rough diamonds often have irregular or crystal-like shapes, often octahedral, sharp edges, a greasy or waxy surface rather than a shiny one. If the stone looks perfectly smooth, it is less likely to be a diamond. 2. Check the transparency. Hold the stone up to the light. Rough diamonds are usually translucent, not fully transparent. They may appear milky or cloudy. If you can clearly see through the stone like glass, it is probably not a diamond. 3. Perform the water test. Fill a glass with water. Drop the stone into the glass. A real diamond has high density and will sink quickly. If the stone floats or sinks slowly, it is likely not a diamond. 4. Try the scratch test with caution. Diamonds are extremely hard. Attempt to scratch a piece of glass with the stone, me. If it scratches the glass, it may be a diamond. However, many other minerals can also scratch glass, so this test is not conclusive. 5. Look for sparkle, or lack of it. Unlike cut diamonds, rough diamonds do not sparkle intensely, reflect light in a dull or uneven way. Too much rainbow sparkle may indicate quartz or another crystal instead. 6. Test with fog. Breathe gently on the stone. A real diamond disperses heat quickly, so the fog should disappear almost instantly. If the fog lingers, the stone is likely not a diamond. Important note: home tests can only provide initial clues. Many stones resemble diamonds, and false positives are common. For accurate identification, always consult a certified gemologist or professional jeweler with proper equipment. Conclusion: identifying a rough diamond at home can be exciting, but it requires patience and careful observation. By examining the stone's shape, transparency, weight, and reaction to simple tests, you can determine whether it's worth professional evaluation. Remember, when it comes to diamonds, expert confirmation is always the final step.